To change your Roblox password on Xbox Series X or S, you cannot do it directly through the Xbox app. Instead, you'll need to use the Microsoft Edge web browser on your console. First, open Microsoft Edge browser on your Xbox console. You can find it in your apps or search for it using the Xbox interface. Once Microsoft Edge is open, navigate to roblox.com and log into your account using your current username and password. After logging in, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. This is the Settings menu. Click on it to access your account options. In the Settings menu, select Account Info. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your account, including your password. In the Account Info section, find the Password area and click the pencil icon or Change Password button. You'll need to enter your current password first, then type your new password twice to confirm it matches. Click the Update button to save your new password. Your password will be changed immediately. Alternatively, you can change your password more easily using a PC, tablet, or smartphone by visiting the Roblox website and following the same steps. If you've forgotten your Roblox password, don't worry. The first step is to use the account recovery feature. On the Roblox login page, look for the Forgot Password or Username option. Next, enter the email address that's associated with your Roblox account. If you have a phone number linked to your account, you can use that as an alternative option instead of email. Roblox will send you an email with instructions on how to reset your password. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see the email in your main inbox. Once you receive the email, click the reset link provided and create a new strong password. Make sure your new password is secure and unique. If you never linked an email address or phone number to your Roblox account recovery becomes more challenging. In this case, you'll need to contact Roblox support directly for assistance. To contact Roblox support, go to the Roblox support page and fill out the contact form. Provide as much detail as possible about your account and the issue you're experiencing. When contacting support, include your username, first name, and an email address where they can reach you. Most importantly, provide proof of ownership, such as old payment receipts for Robux purchases. Be patient when waiting for a response from Roblox support. It may take several days for the support team to review your case and respond to your request. Remember, the key to successful password recovery is having your email or phone number linked to your account. If not, detailed information and proof of ownership will help Roblox support assist you more effectively.